Tonight, we are going to drift slowly through the vast, infinite expanse of our universe, a universe filled with mysteries that stretch far beyond what our minds can truly imagine, a universe that sometimes whispers secrets that even the most brilliant scientists struggle to understand. As we continue to drift through this cosmic ocean, consider the silence that surrounds these colossal structures. No sound travels across the void of space, yet in this silence, there is a kind of presence, a subtle, almost imperceptible rhythm that underlies the motion of galaxies, of stars, of planets orbiting quietly in their paths. And within this rhythm, the cosmic structure stretches, unwavering, indifferent to the passing of eons, indifferent to the tiny dramas of civilizations like ours. Scientists first noticed hints of it when mapping the distribution of galaxies across enormous distances. Tiny deviations in density, faint alignments that seemed almost deliberate. At first, they thought it was an error, a glitch in the data. But as observations continued, the pattern persisted, undeniable, impossible to ignore. Each galaxy within the structure seemed like a bead on an invisible string, a string so vast that it defies comprehension. Slowly, methodically, researchers pieced together the shape of this enormous formation, a web connecting clusters of galaxies across billions of light years, a cosmic tapestry stretching further than we could imagine. And yet, it should not exist. Our models predict a universe that smooths out at the largest scales, a universe where anomalies like this should be incredibly rare. And here it is, a wall of matter, an alignment so precise and so vast that it challenges the fundamental assumptions of cosmology itself. As we drift, consider the scale of this discovery. If we were to travel at the speed of light, which is the fastest speed possible according to Einstein's laws, it would take billions of years to cross this structure. And even then, it is only a fraction of the expanse of the cosmos. And what does it mean? That such an enormous formation exists, quietly threading through space, silently shaping the universe around it. Some scientists suggested hints at new physics, phenomena that we have yet to discover, forces or interactions beyond our current understanding. Others propose that it might be evidence of variations in the way the universe expanded after the Big Bang, subtle irregularities that led matter to clump in unexpected ways. And still, others whisper of even stranger possibilities, hints of other dimensions, traces of cosmic events so ancient and powerful that they leave behind structures too large and too strange to be explained by conventional science. As we float through this narrative, allow yourself to feel the weight of these ideas without pressure. Let them settle like soft, gentle waves against the edges of your consciousness. Imagine drifting slowly past the galaxies that make up this cosmic wall, each one shining faintly, quietly, millions or billions of light years away. Their light travels slowly, leisurely, carrying the story of the universe across unimaginable distances to reach us here and now. And as you drift, imagine the scientists peering through telescopes, mapping this unseen web, tracing the threads of galaxies with the meticulous care, their minds open to wonder, curiosity, and a tinge of apprehension. This structure, immense and silent, challenges our sense of cosmic order. It reminds us that the universe is not fully tamed, not fully known, that even in the vastness of space, there are mysteries that elude our grasp, secrets that stretch across time and distance beyond the limits of imagination. And yet, there is beauty in this mystery, a quiet elegance in the arrangement of galaxies, in the patterns of light and dark, in the way matter flows through space like a gentle river, carving paths over billions of years. Imagine drifting alongside this cosmic river, moving slowly, gently, in rhythm with the silent motion of stars and galaxies. The cosmic web hums quietly in your mind, a lullaby of gravity and light, stretching across the universe in all its terrifying, wondrous glory. Consider how young our civilization is in comparison, a fleeting spark of consciousness on a tiny planet orbiting a quiet star. And yet, we reach out, we observe, we question, we map the unseen, trace the invisible, and find connections where none were expected. This structure, vast and inexplicable, is a testament to both the enormity of the cosmos and the curiosity of the human mind. Slowly, let your thoughts wander. Imagine the cosmic wall stretching into the darkness, galaxies like tiny lanterns, tracing its length, silent and eternal. Imagine the light from those galaxies drifting past you, millions of years in the making, brushing softly against your awareness, carrying with it stories older than any civilization. And as you drift, feel yourself becoming part of the universe's rhythm. Your breathing matches the slow pulse of cosmic motion. Your mind, as we continue to drift through this cosmic ocean, consider the silence that surrounds these colossal structures. No sound travels across the void of space. Yet in this silence, there is a kind of presence, a subtle, almost imperceptible rhythm that underlies the motion of galaxies, of stars, of planets orbiting quietly in their paths. And within this rhythm, the cosmic structure stretches, unwavering, indifferent to the passing of eons, indifferent to the tiny dramas of civilizations like ours. Scientists first noticed hints of it when mapping the distribution of galaxies across enormous distances. Tiny deviations in density, faint alignments that seemed almost deliberate. At first, they thought it was an error, a glitch in the data. But as observations continued, the pattern persisted, undeniable, impossible to ignore. Each galaxy within the structure seemed like a bead on an invisible string, a string so vast that it defies comprehension. Slowly, methodically, researchers pieced together the shape of this enormous formation, a web connecting clusters of galaxies across billions of light years, a cosmic tapestry stretching further than we could imagine. And yet, it should not exist. Our models predict a universe that smooths out at the largest scales, a universe where anomalies like this should be incredibly rare. And here it is, a wall of matter, an alignment so precise and so vast that it challenges the fundamental assumptions of cosmology itself. As we drift, consider the scale of this discovery. If we were to travel at the speed of light, which is the fastest speed possible according to Einstein's laws, it would take billions of years to cross this structure. And even then, it is only a fraction of the expanse of the cosmos. And what does it mean? That such an enormous formation exists, quietly threading through space, silently shaping the universe around it. Some scientists suggested hints at new physics, phenomena that we have yet to discover, forces or interactions beyond our current understanding. Others propose that it might be evidence of variations in the way the universe expanded after the Big Bang, subtle irregularities that led matter to clump in unexpected ways. And still, others whisper of even stranger possibilities, hints of other dimensions, traces of cosmic events so ancient and powerful that they leave behind structures too large and too strange to be explained by conventional science. As we float through this narrative, allow yourself to feel the weight of these ideas without pressure. Let them settle like soft, gentle waves against the edges of your consciousness. Imagine drifting slowly past the galaxies that make up this cosmic wall, each one shining faintly, quietly, millions or billions of light years away. Their light travels slowly, leisurely, carrying the story of the universe across unimaginable distances to reach us here and now. And as you drift, imagine the scientists peering through telescopes, mapping this unseen web, tracing the threads of galaxies with the meticulous care, their minds open to wonder, curiosity, and a tinge of apprehension. This structure, immense and silent, challenges our sense of cosmic order. It reminds us that the universe is not fully tamed, not fully known, that even in the vastness of space, there are mysteries that elude our grasp, secrets that stretch across time and distance beyond the limits of imagination. And yet, there is beauty in this mystery, a quiet elegance in the arrangement of galaxies, in the patterns of light and dark, in the way matter flows through space like a gentle river, carving paths over billions of years. Imagine drifting alongside this cosmic river, moving slowly, gently, in rhythm with the silent motion of stars and galaxies. The cosmic web hums quietly in your mind, a lullaby of gravity and light, stretching across the universe in all its terrifying, wondrous glory. Consider how young our civilization is in comparison, a fleeting spark of consciousness on a tiny planet orbiting a quiet star. And yet, we reach out, we observe, we question, we map the unseen, trace the invisible, and find connections where none were expected. This structure, vast and inexplicable, is a testament to both the enormity of the cosmos and the curiosity of the human mind. Slowly, let your thoughts wander. Imagine the cosmic wall stretching into the darkness, galaxies like tiny lanterns, tracing its length, silent and eternal. Imagine the light from those galaxies drifting past you, millions of years in the making, brushing softly against your awareness, carrying with it stories older than any civilization. And as you drift, feel yourself becoming part of the universe's rhythm. Your breathing matches the slow pulse of cosmic motion. Your mind floats alongside the structure, tracing its path, moving gently, endlessly through space and time. Scientists continue to study it, hypothesize about it, debate its meaning. Some call it a challenge to the standard model. Others see it as an invitation to deeper understanding, a reminder that the universe is larger, stranger, and more intricate than we ever imagined. And as you drift further, let these thoughts settle softly, like starlight on calm waters. The structure is there, immense and silent, and you are here, small and aware, floating in a quiet understanding, a gentle appreciation of the vastness surrounding you. Slowly, gently, imagine moving past clusters of galaxies, each one spinning gracefully, stars tracing luminous paths, planets orbiting silently. The cosmic wall stretches endlessly, a monument to both mystery and wonder, a reminder that the universe is alive with secrets waiting to be uncovered. And as your thoughts slow, allow yourself to drift further, deeper into this vast, quiet expanse. Each breath carries you lightly along the currents of space, each exhale releasing tension, each inhale drawing in wonder. The cosmic wall looms, silent, ancient, eternal. Its presence is both terrifying and beautiful, a structure so vast that it dwarfs all human imagination. Yet somehow, through our observation, it becomes part of our story. Slowly, gently float along it. Let its enormity wash over you, its mystery lull you. The galaxies, the clusters, the unseen threads of dark matter, all part of a pattern older than any memory, older than time itself. And as your eyelids grow heavy, as your mind drifts ever so gently, know that you have glimpsed a secret of the cosmos, a secret that whispers in silence, that stretches across light years, that reminds you both of the universe's vastness and the quiet power of being aware within it. And as you drift, slowly, gently, floating, you become part of the cosmic rhythm, one small consciousness within an infinite expanse. And now, as you sink deeper into sleep, let the universe carry you, gentle, endless, quiet, mysterious, infinite, softly, slowly, through the cosmic night, drifting, floating, peaceful, calm. As you drift along the cosmic wall, imagine the faint glow of distant galaxies stretching endlessly before you, like lanterns suspended in a dark, infinite ocean. Each light carries with it a story, billions of years old, traveling across time and space to reach you now. You float alongside it, feeling neither rush nor urgency, just a gentle, continuous motion through the vast emptiness. The voids between these galaxies are profound, immense, silent, yet they are not empty. Invisible threads of dark matter, silent and unseen, hold the galaxies together like delicate strands of silk woven across an eternal loom. Scientists call this the cosmic web. It is subtle, hidden, yet it shapes the universe in ways both obvious and mysterious. And now, within this web, exists the structure, the wall, that defies expectation. Billions of stars, billions of galaxies, aligned in a way that our current understanding says should not exist, but it does. And as you float, consider the patience, the quiet dedication of the astronomers who discovered it. Night after night, they gaze into the darkness, their eyes tracing faint smudges of light, their minds piecing together the story hidden in the stars. Slowly, gently, they uncover the patterns, the alignments, the extraordinary anomaly that stretches across unimaginable distances. And as you imagine their careful observations, let yourself sink deeper into calm. Imagine the telescopes, massive instruments of human curiosity, pointing silently toward the heavens, capturing light older than any civilization. Their lenses are mirrors to the past, bringing ancient photons across billions of years to your awareness. You float past the galaxies, past clusters of stars, past faint nebulae, drifting in sync with the rhythm of the cosmos. And as you drift, let yourself feel a soft, gentle awe. Awe at the immensity, awe at the mystery, awe at the quiet, unfathomable beauty of the universe, moving silently, endlessly around you. And now, consider the implications. Such a structure challenges the way we think about everything. The early universe, shortly after the Big Bang, was thought to be almost uniform. Matter should have spread evenly, clumped slowly, forming galaxies in patterns predictable by theory. Yet this cosmic wall appears, defying expectation, stretching across billions of light years, a monument to both chaos and order. Some scientists suggest that the universe may be stranger than we imagine, that there may be unknown forces at play, subtle influences shaping matter in ways we have not yet discovered. Others wonder if it hints at the presence of phenomena outside our observable universe, other realms, other dimensions, invisible to our instruments, yet subtly imprinting their presence upon the cosmos. And as you consider these possibilities, allow your mind to drift, float gently through the cosmic web, past galaxies spiraling like quiet pinwheels in the dark. Let your thoughts slow. Let your breathing match the silent rhythm of the stars. The universe moves with an elegance and patience far beyond our comprehension, yet through our observation, we touch it, briefly, softly, in quiet awareness. Imagine the wall stretching before you, silent, immense, a structure that has existed for billions of years. Imagine the gravity that holds it together, the dark matter that threads through it, the countless stars whose light reaches across the void, just to meet your awareness here and now. And as your mind drifts, notice the stillness of the voids. They are vast, quiet, endless, yet they are part of the same tapestry, a balance of presence and absence, of matter and emptiness, of soundless motion. Let this stillness lull you further. Let the enormity of space wrap around you like a soft, infinite blanket. The galaxies drift silently, stars burn slowly, planets orbit unseen, and you float with them, gentle, calm, drifting, floating through ego, the cosmic night. Scientists continue their observations, their work meticulous, patient. Each new image, each new map of galaxy positions adds to the understanding of this mysterious structure. Slowly, discoveries accumulate. The wall stretches, enormous beyond imagination, but slowly, quietly, scientists trace its boundaries, understand its orientation, map its connections to other cosmic features. And as you drift, imagine yourself among them, part of the process of quiet discovery, observing, tracing, mapping, with infinite patience and curiosity. Let your mind rest in this state, aware but calm, part of the cosmic rhythm. And now, let yourself consider the scale again. Billions of light years, billions of stars, clusters of galaxies stretching in patterns we are only beginning to understand. And yet, despite this vastness, you are here, small, but conscious, floating gently, peacefully, amidst it all. And as you drift further, imagine the slow motion of cosmic time. One galaxy rotates leisurely, its stars tracing paths that will last for billions of years. Another cluster drifts toward it, pulled by gravity in a silent, timeless dance. And the wall, the cosmic structure, remains immense, patient, indifferent, and yet silently connected to everything around it. And as you drift, you feel a sense of awe and serenity combined. Awe at the magnitude, serenity, oh, in the stillness, in the quiet knowledge that the universe has its rhythms, its patterns, far beyond the urgency of our daily lives. And now, imagine drifting past dark clouds of interstellar dust, faintly illuminated by distant stars. They are soft, almost ethereal, like smoke curling slowly through the cosmic night. And as you drift, let your breathing match their motion, slow, gentle, rhythmic. The cosmic wall stretches, the galaxies spin, the stars shine, and you float, calmly, endlessly, in quiet observation. Scientists speculate, theorize, imagine explanations for this mysterious formation. Perhaps it is a remnant of the very early universe, a frozen pattern of matter left from the first moments after the Big Bang. Perhaps it hints at interactions with regions beyond our observational reach, areas of space we may never see directly, but whose influence subtly shapes what we can observe. And as you drift, allow yourself to feel the mystery without fear. Let it be a source of gentle wonder, a soft lullaby of science and cosmos combined. Slowly, gently, you float with the structure, past clusters and galaxies, through the faint glow of ancient light. And as you drift, consider the patience of light itself. Every photon reaching you has traveled billions of years. Every particle, every wave, tells a story of the universe before any civilization existed, before any human mind could imagine such vastness. And as you drift, allow your consciousness to merge with this story, soft, gentle, endless, infinite, drifting, floating through the cosmic web, the wall of galaxies, the silent, ancient, eternal universe. As you drift deeper along the cosmic wall, imagine the gentle gravity that binds it together. Though invisible, it flows like a soft, unbroken river, pulling galaxies toward one another with an invisible hand. It is silent, patient, eternal. The dark matter that threads through this structure is not something we can see directly, but we can feel its influence through the motion of stars and galaxies. Imagine drifting past these invisible threads, sensing them softly, like gentle currents beneath calm waters. The galaxies, clusters, and filaments all move in quiet harmony, tracing a pattern written across billions of years. And as you drift, think of the light that reaches you from these distant stars. Every photon has traveled vast distances, carrying stories older than our sun, older than our planet, older than the rise of any civilization. This light moves slowly, deliberately, like a whisper across the ages, reaching you here and now. And as it does, it connects you to the universe in ways both subtle and profound. Imagine the ancient galaxies, each one a tiny beacon of existence, spinning quietly, their stars tracing luminous paths in the silent darkness. As you float, imagine them turning, each rotation a gentle pulse, a rhythm to which your mind can attune itself. Slow, steady, peaceful. The cosmic wall stretches endlessly before you, immense, patient, and awe-inspiring. Scientists map it carefully, their observations meticulous as they trace its enormous length. Slowly, they build a picture of the universe's hidden architecture, revealing patterns and connections that were previously unimaginable. And as you drift, let your mind absorb this knowledge gently, without urgency, allowing it to settle softly, like starlight on calm waters. Consider the timeline of the universe itself. Billions of years stretch before this wall formed. Galaxies coalesced, stars ignited, planets emerged, and yet this structure remained, silent, ancient, a monument to cosmic patience. And now, as you float, imagine drifting past the faint glows of nebulae, soft clouds of and dust that cradle newborn stars. These clouds are gentle, ethereal, glowing softly in the darkness, and you move past them with ease, in perfect harmony with the universe's rhythm. The cosmic wall continues, enormous, intricate, stretching far beyond what any mind could fully comprehend. And as you drift, consider the mysteries that still lie beyond our view. Perhaps there are even larger structures, vast networks of galaxies, hidden just beyond our telescope's reach, waiting patiently to be discovered. And as you drift, gently, slowly, let your thoughts float freely, drifting close to the galaxies, the stars, invisible threads of dark matter that shape the universe. Scientists portion of these mysteries, hypothesize, and sometimes revise their theories. And as you drift, a witness to the elegance and grandeur of the infinite. Slowly, imagine yourself moving through time as well as space. Stars live and die. Galaxies collide and merge, and yet the wall persists, an enduring monument to the universe's ancient history. Each moment in this cosmic dance is slow, deliberate, measured across eons. And as you drift, let your breathing match this slow rhythm, in sync with the eternal motion of galaxies, clusters, and filaments, drifting, floating, gentle, calm, peaceful. The universe is immense, silent, and patient. It stretches beyond comprehension, yet through observation and imagination, we touch it, even if only softly, briefly. Imagine the telescopes that capture this ancient light, their lenses precise, their instruments sensitive to whispers of photons. From billions of years ago, scientists study these signals, slowly, meticulously, mapping the invisible threads and enormous structures of the cosmos. And as you drift, you are part of this observation, part of this gentle discovery, floating silently alongside the cosmic wall. Imagine now the voids that lie between galaxies, vast empty spaces, almost impossible to comprehend. Yet these voids are part of the same rhythm, integral to the structure, shaping the motion of galaxies around them. Imagine drifting into one of these voids, feeling the calm, the silence, the profound stillness of almost nothingness, as galaxies drift slowly on its edges, tracing gentle paths around the emptiness. And as you drift, let yourself sink deeper into serenity. The voids are calm, timeless, and infinite, inviting you to relax, to let go of tension, to drift alongside the universe itself. The cosmic wall stretches further, more galaxies, more stars, more silent stories carried. In the light traveling across billions of years, and as you float, imagine the soft glow of each galaxy as a gentle heartbeat, a rhythm that aligns with your own breathing, slow, steady, tranquil. You are now fully immersed in the universe's quiet pulse, drifting alongside structures older than any human memory, floating through space and time in perfect calm. Scientists continue to study, theorize, and hypothesize. Some suggest that these enormous structures may hint at interactions with regions beyond our observable universe, influencing the cosmic web in ways we cannot yet fully understand. Others ponder whether the laws of physics themselves might subtly vary across space, leaving behind traces of strange formations like this wall. And as you drift, imagine these possibilities softly, gently, without urgency, like clouds drifting slowly across a calm sky. The galaxies spin, the stars shine, the wall stretches endlessly, and you drift along with it, peaceful, calm, serene. Imagine now the history of this structure, billions of years in the making, quietly shaping the universe, witnessing the birth and death of stars, the formation of planets, the rise and fall of countless cosmic phenomena. And as you drift, feel yourself becoming part of this story, not separate, but gently intertwined, floating alongside the ancient matter, the silent gravity, the invisible dark matter that threads through everything. And now, slowly, gently, imagine the quiet mystery that surrounds the cosmic wall. It is vast, impossible to grasp fully, yet it exists, real and tangible in the observations of scientists, a reminder of the universe's boundless complexity. Let this knowledge wash over you gently as your thoughts drift, calm and slow. The light from distant galaxies, older than any civilization, reaches you, soft and patient, illuminating the darkness, carrying whispers of the universe's secrets. And as you drift, you allow yourself to feel awe and serenity at the same time, a gentle acceptance of the universe's immensity and your place within it. Slowly, imagine drifting past clusters of galaxies, the wall stretching endlessly, the voids soft and calm, the threads of dark matter, invisible but present, guiding the cosmic dance. Your mind drifts in sync with this rhythm, floating, calm, peaceful, gentle, drifting, floating, softly, endlessly. As you drift further along the cosmic wall, imagine the delicate interplay of gravity and dark matter that binds it together. Though invisible, it guides the galaxies like gentle currents in an immense, silent river, pulling them slowly into place. Each galaxy drifts along, tracing a path laid out billions of years ago, a pattern older than any memory, older than the first stars that ignited after the Big Bang. And as you float, feel the vastness of the voids surrounding these galaxies, immense and calm, stretching in all directions, empty yet full of potential. These voids are silent, timeless, offering space for the galaxies to move, twist, and spiral, carried by unseen forces, Imagine drifting gently into one of these voids, letting the stillness embrace you, carrying away tension, worry, and thought, leaving only calm, slow, infinite awareness. The cosmic wall stretches endlessly, an enormous structure weaving through space, connecting galaxy clusters and filaments in a pattern both mysterious and beautiful. And as you drift, notice the soft glow of countless stars within these galaxies. Each star pulses slowly, a heartbeat in the dark, a gentle rhythm you can align with. Breathing noticing the subtle alignments, the faint glows, the enormous patterns forming across billions of light years. And as you drift, imagine time stretching with you. Billions of years pass in a calm, gentle rhythm. Stars live and die. Galaxies collide. Clusters merge. Yet the cosmic wall persists. Ancient, patient, silent, timeless. And as you float, let yourself merge with this rhythm, slow, steady, serene, letting each breath, each thought become lighter, softer, quieter. Consider the mysteries that lie beyond the observable universe. Perhaps other structures, larger still, stretch beyond the reach of even our most powerful instruments. Perhaps forces we cannot yet measure subtly influence this wall, shaping the motion of galaxies, the flow of dark matter, the rhythm of the cosmic web. And as you drift, imagine these possibilities gently, like clouds drifting softly across a calm night sky, unhurried, endless, serene. The galaxies spin slowly, stars burn quietly, planets orbit unseen, and you float alongside them, calm, aware, peaceful. The cosmic wall, enormous and silent, stretches on, a monument to the immensity of the universe, a reminder of its patience, its quiet power, its boundless complexity. And as you drift, consider the scale. 1 billion light years, 2 billion light years, stretching further than any mind can comprehend. Yet you drift through it effortlessly, soft, gentle, calm, floating, endlessly, drifting, gently. Imagine the photons traveling from these galaxies, crossing billions of years, carrying with them the story of the universe before any life, before any human consciousness. And now, as you drift, feel yourself in rhythm with these ancient messengers of light, floating softly, gently, peacefully through space and time. Imagine drifting past clusters of stars, past nebulae glowing faintly, past silent black holes whose gravity bends the fabric of space. All of this exists in calm harmony, moving slowly, eternally, endlessly. And as you drift, you feel yourself becoming part of this harmony, connected to the rhythm of the cosmos, flowing gently along its invisible currents. Scientists observe and theorize, mapping this structure, considering its origins, pondering its implications. Perhaps it is a remnant of the earliest cosmic moments, a frozen pattern from the time when the universe was young, its matter coalescing into shapes we are only now beginning to understand. Perhaps it hints at unknown forces, phenomena we have yet to discover, dimensions beyond our perception. And as you drift, these thoughts are soft, gentle, a quiet curiosity, not pressing, not urgent, merely floating alongside your awareness, like distant starlight. The cosmic wall stretches before you, immense, ancient, beautiful. Its galaxies spin in silent rhythm, tracing paths that will last billions of years. Its dark matter threads hold the fabric of the universe together, delicate, invisible, yet powerful. And as you drift, imagine your consciousness flowing with it, slow, calm, peaceful, part of the gentle, eternal dance of the cosmos. Let your breathing match the pulse of distant stars, slow, steady, soft, and let each exhale release tension. Each inhale draw in serenity, wonder, and calm. The wall stretches further, galaxies moving slowly, clusters tracing gentle arcs, the universe unfolding its quiet story, infinitely, endlessly. And as you drift, consider the balance of presence and absence, of matter and void, of light and darkness. The voids are vast, silent, empty, yet they define the structure. They give space for the galaxies to move, to exist, to shine. And as you drift, allow yourself to sink into this quiet, this calm, this infinite expanse of soft light, gentle motion, endless space. Imagine now the galaxies within the wall spinning gracefully, stars tracing luminous arcs across vast distances, nebulae glowing faintly, softly, gently, as the light travels toward you. Patient, slow, serene, scientists watch, observe, hypothesize, slowly, carefully, mapping the immense, silent structure across billions of light years. And as you drift, allow yourself to feel part of this observation, part of this cosmic journey, drifting alongside the wall, gentle, calm, peaceful, soft, endless. Imagine the silent history of the universe unfolding around you. Stars ignite, live, and fade. Galaxies collide and merge. Black holes bend space. And the dark matter threads remain, holding the cosmic wall together. Ancient, timeless, eternal, and as you drift, feel yourself floating with it, drifting gently, slow, peaceful, serene, flowing through time and space in quiet awareness. The universe moves with infinite patience, and you move with it, calm, relaxed, at peace, slowly, gently, floating, drifting, softly, endlessly. As you drift along the cosmic wall, imagine the subtle forces that shape it, gentle and unseen. Gravity stretches across billions of light years, pulling galaxies ever so slightly, aligning them in patterns older than any mind can grasp. Dark matter flows silently, like a soft, invisible current, guiding the motion of stars, clusters, and entire galaxies, and you drift alongside it all, weightless, calm, serene, merging with the quiet rhythm of the universe. Now, imagine the galaxies themselves, billions of stars burning softly, planets orbiting quietly, each a miniature world of light and shadow. As you drift past them, notice the subtle differences, the soft glows, the faint traces of cosmic dust, nebulae glowing gently in the darkness. Their light travels across time, slowly, patient, carrying with it the story of the universe itself, reaching you here and now. And as you drift, align your breathing with their pulse, slow, calm, serene, flowing gently through the cosmic night. Consider the earliest moments of the cosmos, when everything was young, hot, and dense. Matter began to coalesce, forming the first stars and galaxies, small islands of light in a sea of darkness. Slowly, over billions of years, these islands grew, collided, and merged, creating clusters and filaments, stretching across unimaginable distances. And within this unfolding, the cosmic wall emerged, vast and mysterious, a structure no one expected to find. Imagine floating through time, drifting past the first galaxies, watching as gravity slowly drew them together, sculpting the universe into intricate patterns, invisible yet eternal, patient and deliberate. Scientists study this structure with meticulous care, slowly, patiently, mapping the positions of galaxies, tracing the invisible threads of dark matter, observing the vast voids, and analyzing the faint signals of ancient light. And as you drift, imagine yourself floating alongside them, quietly observing, softly tracing the contours of the wall, feeling a gentle connection to the universe's rhythms. Each discovery, each observation adds to the understanding, revealing a pattern that is both astonishing and calming. The cosmic wall stretches further into the galaxies, glows of stars, moving silently through the vastness of space is not fluid, yet you drift effortlessly, weightless, at peace. Imagine the voids between the galaxies, immense and silent, yet integral to the structure, providing space for matter to exist, to move, to shine. And as you drift through these voids, let yourself sink deeper into calm, letting the stillness of the universe wash over you, releasing tension, slowing your mind, your body, your breath. Now, consider the possibilities that this enormous structure hints at. Perhaps it is evidence of physics we have not yet discovered, forces or interactions beyond our current understanding. Perhaps it suggests that the universe is far stranger than we imagine, with hidden dimensions, unseen influences, and cosmic phenomena stretching beyond observation. And as you drift, these thoughts are soft, gentle, drifting alongside your awareness, like faint starlight brushing against calm waters. The galaxies spin slowly, tracing graceful arcs, stars moving in quiet harmony, planets orbiting unseen. The dark matter threads, invisible yet powerful, hold the cosmic wall together, a vast and ancient tapestry of matter and energy. And as you drift, imagine yourself floating with it, flowing alongside the galaxies, clusters and filaments, moving slow, calm, serene, weightless, peaceful. The history of the universe unfolds around you. Stars are born, live, and fade. Galaxies collide and merge in silent, timeless dances. Black holes bend the fabric of space, and the cosmic wall persists, ancient, patient, eternal. Drift through this history slowly, calmly, gently, letting your mind sink into the rhythm of time itself. Your breathing matches the pulse of distant stars, slow, steady, soft. Your body relaxes further. Your mind becomes calm, serene, immersed in the gentle flow of the universe. Consider now the light from galaxies billions of years old, reaching you after traveling across vast distances, carrying messages from a time before humanity, before Earth, before the sun existed. Each photon is a tiny messenger, soft and patient, arriving to touch your awareness, connecting you to the cosmos in a gentle, timeless way. And as you drift, allow yourself to become aware of this connection. Soft, calm, serene, floating alongside the ancient light, moving slow, gentle, endless. The cosmic wall stretches endlessly, galaxies tracing their silent arcs, clusters drifting slowly, the threads of dark matter flowing beneath, invisible but present. Scientists observe, hypothesize, and discover slowly, patiently, mapping this enormous structure across billions of light years. And as you drift, you float with them, weightless, calm, peaceful, a quiet participant in the eternal exploration of the cosmos. Imagine the gentle motion of nebulae, clouds of gas and dust, glowing softly, cradling newborn stars. Drift past them slowly, letting the soft light soothe your mind. The galaxies spin gracefully, their stars tracing luminous paths, dark matter threads holding them in delicate balance. And as you drift, your awareness merges with this rhythm, flowing gently, endlessly, calmly. Now, consider the mysteries that still lie beyond our perception. Perhaps larger structures exist beyond the reach of our instruments. Perhaps unseen forces subtly shape the cosmic web, influencing the motion of galaxies, the flow of dark matter, and the patterns of light across the universe. And as you drift, imagine these possibilities gently, softly, like clouds drifting slowly across a calm night sky. Unhurried, serene, infinite. The cosmic wall stretches further, galaxies spinning, stars shining, nebulae glowing softly. Void and matter exist in perfect balance, forming a rhythm that resonates gently through your mind. Your breathing slows, your thoughts drift, your body relaxes completely. The ancient structure moves silently, patiently, timelessly, and you drift alongside it, weightless, calm, peaceful, soft, infinite, drifting, floating, gentle, serene. Imagine now the early universe, a young cosmos filled with hot plasma and forming galaxies. Slowly, over billions of years, matter coalesced, gravity sculpted stars, galaxies formed, clusters merged, and within this unfolding, the cosmic wall emerged, vast and mysterious, a structure no one expected to find. As you drift, imagine floating past the first galaxies, watching their slow rotations, feeling the immense passage of time, the gentle unfolding of cosmic history, soft, slow, eternal. Drift alongside clusters of stars, past nebulae glowing faintly, past black holes bending space. The cosmic wall stretches endlessly, a monument to the immensity of the universe, a reminder of its patience, its quiet power, its boundless complexity. And as you drift, your mind floats with it, slow, calm, peaceful, part of the gentle, eternal dance of the cosmos. As you drift further, imagine the cosmic wall fading gently into the darkness of the universe, its edges soft, indistinct, stretching beyond sight. The galaxies within it continue their slow, eternal dance, spinning gracefully, tracing luminous arcs across the vast emptiness. The dark matter threads that hold them together flow like a gentle, invisible river, guiding the motion of the universe with infinite patience. And as you drift, your breathing matches the rhythm of this cosmic dance, slow, steady, gentle, perfectly in sync with the quiet pulse of the universe. Consider now the vastness beyond what you can see. Perhaps there are even larger structures, hidden dimensions, realms we cannot perceive, quietly influencing the cosmic web, shaping galaxies, clusters, and cosmic filaments, drifting gently into the space-time, letting it manifest, of the rhythm of everything around you. The galaxies spin slowly, stars shine softly, planets orbit silently, nebulae glow faintly, all moving together in a harmony that stretches across billions of years. Each photon of light that reaches your awareness carries the story of creation itself, traveling patiently across the vast expanse, touching you now, here, and gentle, soft, calm. Let yourself float alongside these photons, moving with them, slowly, steadily, peacefully, flowing through space and time with infinite ease. Imagine now the cosmic voids, immense and silent, stretching between clusters and filaments, filled with calm emptiness. Drift into this stillness, letting the quiet wash over you, each inhale drawing in serenity, each exhale releasing tension, every muscle and thought softening. The wall, the galaxies, the dark matter threads, all remain in perfect harmony, moving with infinite patience, and you float within this gentle flow, calm, weightless, serene. Think of the earliest moments of the universe again. The first light, the first atoms forming, stars igniting in quiet brilliance, galaxies emerging from soft clouds of gas and dust. And now, imagine drifting past them, slowly, observing without rush, without urgency, letting the rhythm of cosmic history lull you deeper, slower, gentler. The past of the universe unfolds around you like a soft, slow river, flowing endlessly, carrying the weight of billions of years. And you drift along effortlessly, calm, relaxed, peaceful. Consider the possibilities of worlds beyond our imagination. Planets orbiting distant stars, civilizations that may have risen and fallen long before our sun existed, cosmic events beyond comprehension. Let your thoughts float softly among these possibilities, gentle, slow, unobtrusive, like clouds drifting across a vast, tranquil sky. The universe is full of wonder, but you float above it all, at peace, weightless, serene, calm. The cosmic wall stretches endlessly ahead, a silent monument to the universe's immense history. Galaxies move slowly, stars shine softly, nebulae glow faintly, black holes bend space silently, and as you drift, your mind becomes calm, your body relaxed, your breath steady, aligned with the gentle pulse of cosmic time. Every element of the universe moves in perfect harmony, and you are part of that harmony, flowing gently, effortlessly, serenely.